And you can start to see the fog rolling in on Monument Circle tonight.
I was just glad it was clear enough to get a good view of that, because in other areas visibility's been near zero. Where along I-70 State Road 9. Oh, you don't have to move out of the way. I'm going to show it full. You never have to move out of the way. But you can see it just kind of looks a little hazy and a little foggy.
Sure does.
Visibilities have been near zero in a lot of locations. Temperatures 45 to 50 degrees, so it is still very mild at this hour, but it's also very, very foggy. Dense fog advisory as we head through the next several hours, and we're also monitoring some heavy rain. Visibility at zero: Indianapolis, Kokomo, Lafayette, Greencastle, Terre Haute, and Bloomington. We've been dealing with low clouds, fog, and drizzle most of the evening. Our weather system that we're tracking bringing some thunderstorms to parts of Arkansas, southern sections of Missouri, and this is what's going to move our way over the next several hours. Maybe set the alarm clock a few minutes early to check in with Chuck. Sunrise begins at 4 a.m. because we may have a few school delays because of the fog. We're also going to be dealing with some heavy rain, so the morning commute could just be a mess early tomorrow, so allow a little extra travel time. Rain, some gusty winds associated with maybe a couple of passing thunderstorms, and notice what happens to the temperatures tomorrow. They move in the wrong direction. We'll be 45 to 50 early in the day and then falling into the upper 30s by late afternoon. Rainfall potential, especially for the southern half of the state, around an inch, maybe a little more in a few places. Let's get to that hour by hour timeline with Future Track 13. Leading edge of the heavy rain set to arrive around 4 a.m. So this is going to impact the morning drive. 6 o'clock Thursday morning, you can see that heavy rain. And yes, this weather system is going to be with us off and on all day long. A few rumbles of thunder, some gusty winds, and then the cold air will sweep in from west to east. Might get here just fast enough for a change over to some snow for the far eastern part of the state by late afternoon, early evening. We will all see that snow chance off and on Thursday night into Friday. Any accumulations would be minor and a quick coating, but it is going to be much colder. We're down into the 30s on Friday, 30s to start the weekend, but we do have sunshine in that Saturday forecast. 40s are back on Sunday with more rain early next week.